Hi everybody. I wanted to make a video on how to draw the isolines in a contour map. And here we have what looks like just a big mess of numbers. Now, we're going to assume that the data was measured at the center of each number, highlight all the points with the same value in pencil, connect the dots with the smooth curve. So it wants the contour interval in 10. So let's go ahead and start with, let's start with 50. Okay. So we got a 50 here, there. First thing you want to do is find where the 50s are. Okay. Now, even if I missed a couple, we're going to get to it anyway. So we'll take this 50 and we'll start combining. Now, there's no 50 until this one. So what direction is it going to take in order to get to that 50? Well, remember that at all points on this line we're making has to be 50 meters. So it doesn't make sense for it to go below 49 and above 48. It doesn't make sense for it to go in between 53 and 54. But what we do see is 49 and 53. So we're going to bring it right through there. Our next 50 is up here. Remember, smooth curved lines. The next 50 is going to be right here. And it looks like we're going to have to come up this way. But now we got a problem because now there's 51 and 55, 57, 56, all of that is above 50. So it's going to be running off the map and then picking itself back up right there. Here's the next 50. 50 goes in between 55 and 60 or between 48 and 55. Right down this way. Now, all these values are above 50. We have another set right there, 48 and 51, so it'll come down this way. Will it go down here, or is it going to cut through there? It's going to swing right in between 47 and 51, right? And down here, there. We're just following the path of 50 meters. Up this way. It's actually pretty fun and relaxing when you get the hang of it. And there we are. That is our 50-meter mark. Let's do a different color for 60. Okay. Here's the 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. So this is just how I do it. If you want to really highlight it, connect them one by one, you're more than welcome to do it that way. So let's start by connecting these. It's going to go in between 57 and 62. Down through the 60s. Now this is interesting because we have a 60 and a 60. But all of these values are way bigger. So we're going to have to shoot up in between 58 and 62 in order to get there. $60. It's going to come right underneath, but remember, they never touch. No touching. All right, let's come up this way now. This way. You see? Easy peasy. There's our 60 meter. All right, let's do 70. 70, 70. Is that it? That might be it. All right, it's giving us less and less actual data points for us to use. So it'll get a little trickier. It's going to go right in between 65 and 72. It's not going to go down this way. We're going to have to come up right through here. 70. And you see how I go much closer to 69 than I do 75? Because 70 is only 1 meter away. If it was halfway through, I would have gone like that. And you don't have to be perfect with this stuff usually. Depends on your teacher. For me, I want you to be accurate, but no need to be perfect. 70 is going to come up this way, down there, way closer to 69 than 78, through here, back over, and there's 70. Just a couple more. Okay, 80. And 80 here, 80, 80, 80. I would say it's about halfway through. 80. Okay, these two. Now, how are we going to get these two together? Let's see. You know what? I don't think you are. These are going to be their own little peaks. So you're going to close them in. Then we have 190, the last little peak of this mountain. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this helps.